Many believe that we all have the same 24 hours in the day, so essentially it's up to you how you want to use them. Now, if you choose to view your days from this perspective, it can be quite inspirational and motivational. I mean, it's impossible to refute the fact that we each have 24 hours per day. However, it is possible to debate that not everyone's day looks and feels the exact same. This means your ability to produce will fall within the specific time frames that are available to you. How do you align within yourself so that you can increase your production regardless of your unique commitments and challenges? Internal alignment isn't a switch you simply turn on when you need to be more productive. Rather, it's a continual daily practice of better understanding your fears, blind spots, traumas, triggers, relationships, patterns, etc. Simply put, you align within yourself by getting to know yourself better, and through this process, you're able to increase your productivity. Remember, everyone, including you, is on their own individual journey and path of self-discovery. The more that you're able to focus on yourself and not get caught up in comparing yourself to others, the more productive you'll be. In today's video, I want to support you on your journey and give you 3 hacks that you can start using today to help you get aligned and be more productive. Before diving in, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you can be alerted when new videos are released. My name is Adam Piandis. I'm a leadership coach and have been teaching, coaching, facilitating for over 25 years. I've consulted with prominent leaders from all over the globe to become emotionally strong all day long, and I want to do the same for you. Okay, the first hack to make you more productive is to stay present. Now, the world is moving faster than ever before. Times are changing faster than ever before. Social media provides you with more distractions than ever before. As you can see, staying present is easier said than done. However, the more you practice staying present, the better you become. There are always 2 perspectives available to you as you move through your days. One is abundance, and the other is fear. Abundance resides in the present because you're only focused on the task at hand and not distracted by the happenings of your past or the upcoming events in your future. Focusing on the past and future keeps you in a state of perpetual fear and feeds into feelings of depression, anxiety, and overwhelm. This is how most people relate to the world. And it makes sense because there are so many distractions that encourage fearful living. If your tendency is to live in the past and often say things like, I should have done this or I should have done that, remember, 1, shoulding on yourself can get really messy. 2, you can't change what's already happened. And 3, everything that's happened is for your learning and growth. Now, on the other hand, if you tend to feel overwhelmed and anxious about the future, start practicing a very simple 3-4-5 breathing exercise. Breathe in for 3, hold for 4, breathe out for 5. This is one example of how to reduce stress, get your nervous system aligned, and bring you back to the present moment. Before I share the second hack to make you more productive, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, and if you have any proven techniques to keep you living in the present moment, please let me know in the comments. Would love to hear from you. Okay, the second hack to make you more productive is to choose your words wisely. More than anything else, the words that you choose and the energy behind your words determine your productivity and start shaping your future. Did you know that 80% of the average person's thoughts per day are negative? This makes it very easy to fall into negative patterns and belief systems. You must be aware of this and the words that you choose in order to start manifesting your desired outcomes. Oftentimes, your word choices are indicative of your negative belief systems. I shouldn't have done that demonstrates a lack of self-worth. Speaking is hard for me identifies a lack of confidence. They have money, why can't I? Is a scarcity mindset. My relationships always fail is a practice of self-loathing. As you become a better listener and more familiar with your negative belief systems, you have an opportunity to replace them with positive reframes that become catalysts for your growth. I shouldn't have done that becomes I learned from that. Speaking is hard for me becomes speaking is a welcomed challenge for me. They have money, why can't I? Becomes they inspire me to make more money. And my relationships always fail becomes my relationships have taught me a lot. Like anything else, the more you practice reframing your negative belief systems, the better you become at it. It's important to be kind to yourself along the way. Changing your language and the words that you choose isn't something that comes naturally overnight. It's a process. Take it slow, listen to the words that you choose, and remember that your results always start at the tip of your tongue. Before I get into the third hack to make you more productive, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if any of the word choice examples I provided sound familiar to you. Okay, the third hack to make you more productive is to get out of your head and get into your body. Saying things like, I'm so busy, is not only a terrible habit and distraction, it's a response that comes from your head and doesn't tap into how you're feeling in your body. We as human beings desire heartfelt connection. So rather than saying, I'm so busy, consider sharing how you feel, meaning share how your busy schedule causes you to feel a certain way. I feel confused. I feel overwhelmed. I feel exhausted, or any other emotion that you may be experiencing. By saying, I feel confused, you get out of your head, tap into your emotional body, and give yourself an opportunity to work towards a solution. Getting out of your head and into your body is what allows you to prioritize your days. Yes, you need your brain to prioritize, but you must clear yourself of negative energy first, and this starts in your body. Plus, it helps you get rid of the noise and the fog that typically occupies your brain and is often full of excuses. You have a lot going on in your life. You must make time to stop and reflect and prioritize how you want to get things done. What do you want your week to look like? How do you make your days more productive? Now, it's easy for me to say, hey, get out of your head and get into your body, but it's another thing to actually do it. So, how do you do it? Taking time for breathing exercises is a great place to start. You can also practice meditation, go for daily walks, perhaps more intense exercise like running or lifting weights. Personally, I like to get in the water and go surfing. All of these examples help you declutter your mind, activate your life force, and live a more embodied life. So the next time you want to tell someone, I'm so busy, consider the following three things. One, that person is busy as well. Two, there's a feeling or emotion that resides underneath your busyness that you can connect with. And three, there's an opportunity to get in your body and prioritize. All right, now that you have 3 hacks to make you more productive, you're ready to go out and start manifesting your desired outcomes. If you haven't already, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you're aware of the next video that's released. My name is Adam Piendis, helping you become emotionally strong all day long, and I will see you in the next video.